Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you change your wallpaper in your Vivo phone device. Guys, you want to change guys your phone wallpaper in your Vivo phone, so guys you can change it. And guys, now let's see how to change wallpaper in our Vivo phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So friends, now let's see how to change wallpaper in our Vivo phone device. So first of all guys, what will you have to do guys? You can see guys your phone setting to change wallpaper. Then guys scroll it and guys you can see lock screen and wallpaper. And guys you can see your wallpaper. And guys you want to download wallpaper, so guys you can download from here. And guys shortcut setting guys, you want to change wallpaper without opening your phone setting. So guys press on your screen and guys you can see your wallpaper. So guys tap here and guys you can change from here. So you will tap here, so you can see guys, see more wallpaper. So we have this wallpaper, and if you want to download wallpaper you can download from here. But guys, I like this black and white wallpaper. So as you can see preview, then as you can check it will like that. Let's come back, apply option, set as both, set to dashboard, set to lock screen. So guys, where you want to change, so I want to change it to a set to dashboard. Let's continue. Then as you can see wallpaper has changed in our view phone. And as you can see lock screen wallpaper. Okay friends, and guys home screen wallpaper. So I hope friends you have understood how to change wallpaper in our viewer phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. So guys, now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.